So I have installed these three applications, one correctly, two incorrectly. So after 2 days of the installations, the points are added to my account.
Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. Nowadays too many people are facing minor problem regarding to their Google Play points. The problem is that Google provides apps for free points, and when you install the app, the points are not credited to your account. They are installing every app provided by Google, but the points are not adding to their account. So if you have the same problem, so you are in the right video. So in this video, I am going to provide some solution regarding this problem and some extra information about Google Play points. How you should install the application so that the points will be credited to your account. And also I'm going to provide you the live information about how you should not install the application. That is why, because the points are not adding to your account. So if you want to solve this problem permanently, so please watch the full video. So let's get started. You can see in the video I have installed every application provided by Google correctly, so that is why the points are credited to my account for each application. So in this video I am going to give you detailed information about this problem, so do not skip the video. So in the video you can see there are some applications get points for new discoveries. So using this I am going to explain you, and also just to show you that how you install the application incorrectly, that is why the Google points are not crediting to your account. So there are two applications and I am going to install these two applications, and I am not going to run these two applications greater than 1 minute in my phone. Okay, so I'm going to install this application and I'm not going to run these two applications in my phone, so that you guys get confirmed that the points are not adding to my account. So I have installed these two application incorrectly, so that point will not get added in my account. So here you can see this app cookie run over break. So you can see here at first step, you can see here there is clearly written on 5 points when you install for the first time and try within a day. Points maybe take up to 7 days to appear. If you want to get more information, you can also read the terms of services regarding the Google Play points. So from all of this option, what I am going to highlight is that this option on extra point through promotions. So when you scroll down, so here you can see for apps and game installation promotion, it must be your first time to install the app. So if you have already installed the application that Google provides for free points in the Google Play point section, so if you already installed that application in your phone before, so you are not receiving the points for that app. So this thing is the first thing you need to consider about this. And the second thing is that to earn point, you must spend time in the app within 24 hours after installation. So within 24 hours you have to open the application and spend some time in the application. So like how much time should we spend in the application? So I am also going to demonstrate that in a couple of seconds. Points may take up to 7 days to appear in your account, so you must be a little bit patient. So how much time should we spend on that application to receive the points, and how we should correctly install the app to get the points? So let me show you that how should we install the application to get the points. So now here are some application provided by Google get points for new discoveries. So here is a app named Trash King. So on 5 point when you install for the first time, so do not forget to check in your points history if you have installed this app before or not. If you already installed this app before and claim the points for this app, you are not going to receive the app. You are not going to receive the points again. Okay, so do not forget to check this. And if you have not installed the app, you can go and install the application. So I have not installed the application, so I'm going to install this app. So after the installation, you have to spend some time in this application for maybe like 1 or 2 minutes. So greater than 1 minute. It is good if you spend the time in this application for higher than 1 minute, so that Google can detect that you have successfully installed the application and used that application in your phone. Okay, so do not forget to run the application in your phone for greater than 1 minute. And I'm going to show you live example by opening this application for higher than 1 minute by fast forwarding the video. So I have spent 2 to 3 minutes opening that application, and if you see in the points history, so the points are still not added in your account, because the point may take up to 7 days to add in your account. So do not panic. Okay, the point will be added to your accounts shortly. So I have installed these three applications, one correctly, two incorrectly.
So after 2 days of the installations, the point are added to my account, but the point are just added to my account of that application which I have installed the correct way, which I have showed you. So for the two app in which I have installed the application incorrectly, those applications point are not added to my account. So do not make this mistake. And if you want more information about this, so please comment down below, and if you like the video, do not forget to like and subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.